It's a typical Tuesday evening. School is over, and your attention has shifted from the classroom to the group chats and social feeds on your phone. Suddenly, a message appears in your class group chat without any context. Tomorrow, everyone will regret what they did. You find yourself trying to decode the intent. Is this a classmate making a joke? Is it just someone venting after a frustrating day? Or is it a warning of something serious? Online interactions are often filled with exaggeration and sarcasm. This makes the task of separating harmless noise from a genuine threat a real challenge for anyone scrolling through their feed. Let's pause the story here. Before deciding how to react, we need a clear understanding of what we are actually seeing. Reacting to digital messages without a clear definition of what constitutes a threat can lead to confusion, unnecessary panic, or, in some cases, deadly inaction. An online threat is digital behavior that suggests someone may harm another person, damage property, intimidate others, or cause serious fear. These behaviors appear across a wide digital landscape, from gaming lobbies to anonymous forums. Direct threats are clear statements of intent to cause harm. Indirect threats are subtle behaviors and patterns that suggest a person is moving toward a violent act. This might look like alarming countdowns, the posting of target lists, images of weapons, or messages suggesting self-harm. Identifying these patterns is the first step in keeping a school community safe. However, noticing a potential problem doesn't mean you have to be the one to solve it. You aren't expected to be an investigator. You don't need to know the history of a post to take action. It's normal to worry about being a snitch or getting a friend in trouble over misunderstandings. These feelings often prevent people from speaking up when they see something concerning. Assessing the true intent behind a message is the responsibility of trained school authorities and adults. They have the resources to determine if a threat is real. Staying silent about a concerning post removes the opportunity for early intervention. Reporting it ensures that the situation to the message, forwarding it to friends, and the context so they can begin an assessment. Reporting a concerning message helps connect a struggling peer with the right support systems, making it an act of care rather than an attempt to get someone in trouble. Recognizing a single concerning post can lead to an intervention that prevents real-world harm. Pay attention to what happens in your digital spaces and trust your instincts. Building a safe digital school starts with early recognition. By speaking up, you help ensure that your community remains a place where everyone is protected.